I think the whole idea which Databricks has to make it as simple as possible is great because what is great is that you can just use SQL query to query that model. So possibility of implementation something like software 2.0 where you just use simple queries which decide, for example, is it spam or not, is it this food is vegetarian or not. You can just do by using simple query which referencing some of the model, and you can compare quality of that models using playground, so everything is in one place and is ready to use.
Yeah, and it's super exciting to see how many new foundation models are being released. Um, so it's being added more in more countries. It makes it super easy to start to do some tests. If you want to, I know, try with Llama 2, see how it's working, and then you want to switch to Mistral, like it's super easy to do and makes building all the Gen AI application, I guess, much easier and also kind of very cost efficient because the price, like the per token price, is super cost efficient compared to hosting the model yourself. So it's really exciting, and I'm sure we'll have a lot of application using these models. So yeah, super exciting news. And we have, I think the latest model they added was the Mistral with the yeah that one. So it's a mixture of model. So you have like eight 7B model, and based on the query that you will send, it's only going to activate a subset of model. So it makes the inference super fast and also super cost efficient. So it's a really good model. I think it's amazing to see how fast Databricks just took it from the open source world and added that as an enterprise ready model. So really, really cool stuff.
Yeah,
and
and I
also
think
you see prices which is in tokens for every model, and you can easy compare which is cheaper, which is
yes.
more expensive.
Yeah, and I think the good thing over here is that you have two options. You can use the paper token, for example, to develop your model, test it, make sure it's running well, and then if you think you're gonna use this, you're gonna have a lot of queries, then you can provision your own model, or you can just keep using the paper token. And the goal is really to democratize the access to the Gen AI to all the organizations, including the small ones.